3 ways how to initially set up your TP-Link RE705X. The first and the fastest way is to connect using WPS. First of all, plug your extender into the power socket as close to the router as it possible, and make sure that your router is connected to the internet and broadcasting Wi-Fi. Then also you need to make sure that this power LED indicator is not blinking but glowing solid blue. When you connect the extender for the first time, the indicator may blink blue for up to 3 minutes, so don't worry, just wait patiently. Then locate the WPS button on your router. Usually it's on the back panel and usually it's labeled WPS. If you don't have this button on your router, I recommend you to buy a new one, because future is already here. So press the button on your router and then find the WPS button on the extender and press it. And now you need to wait until all 4 indicators to start blinking, start glowing solid blue, not blinking. So now we have only 2 indicators, but we need to wait for 2.4G band and 5G band. If your router supports 2 bands, you will see all 4 indicators. If you have only 2.4G router, once again I recommend you to buy something newer, and make sure that your 2-band router is in 2-band mode. Once you've got 4 in a row here, you can take any of your gadgets, turn the Wi-Fi on and look for your network in the available networks list. This network will be named same as your router's network, but with EXT abbreviation at the end, which stands for extender. So you can connect to this extender's network using your router's password. It will be the same. You can tap on this eye icon to see what you're typing. Tap on save. And that's it. Now you are connected to the router and you can relocate the extender somewhere to Wi-Fi dead zone. The second way is a bit more complicated, but also gives you much more control over your extender during the connection process. First of all, make sure your router is working properly and you have this LED light glowing solid blue, and then go to the networks list on your Mac or PC. Here you want to find TP-Link extender network and connect to it. If you don't see this network, try to restart your Wi-Fi, toggle it off and back on. So I see TP-Link extender. That's what I need. I need to connect to this network. Be patient, it may take up to 1 minute. If you have some problems, once again try to restart Wi-Fi or restart your extender or restart PC. So first of all, try to restart something, don't panic. But we have no problems, we are connected but without internet so far. Let's fix it. Let's go to our web browser and in the search bar type the next address: 192.168.0.254. Write it down, do not forget. It takes us to the extender's administration panel. So we need to create a new password here. Let's click on the eye icon to see what we're typing. Let it be simple password admin, username admin, and password admin as well. It requires one more symbol. Let it be a digit. Admin 1. Okay, so remember this password. Of course, you can create more difficult password if you wish so. but I don't want so far. So it takes us to the quick setup menu, scanning for the networks, and we need to select which network we wish to extend. My router's name is my Wi-Fi. You have to select your router's name in this list and enter your Wi-Fi password, your current Wi-Fi password. This is not new. And then click on next. And then you need to select 2.4 gigahertz network as well. You have dual band router, and enter your current Wi-Fi password as well. Then check everything and tap on confirm. So now you can rename your networks. For example, if you wish to use different extenders for your bedroom and for your living room and for your kitchen, you can rename them to tell them apart. Let it be bedroom, and let it be bedroom 5 gigahertz. When you're okay with this, tap on next and wait for rebooting to apply settings. And you can also look at your router's LED lights. As in the previous case, you need to see 4 in a row, glowing solid blue. Now you can relocate your extender to optimize Wi-Fi coverage and performance. So you have to plug the extender somewhere about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone, and the location you choose must be within the range of your router. And wait for about 2 minutes until the signal LED turns solid blue, I mean all 4 signals. If it doesn't, relocate the extender closer to the router to achieve better signal quality. It works for previous method as well. You have to place your extender within your router's range. Okay, now we are done here, so let's click on done, and we can connect to our new network. This is bedroom 5 or bedroom 5. This is 5 gigahertz. Okay, let's connect. Connect it, secure it, and we have internet now. So now we can go back to the browser window, tick the checkbox I have connected to the extended network, and click on finish. And now we can log in to our control panel using the password. Do you remember the password? It's admin1. Log in, and from here you have the full control over your extender. You can connect to the network. You can rename your extended network. You can use the advanced settings and different things, but this is the topic for another video, and let's go ahead. And my favorite way to set up and manage this extender is via the TP-Link application. So go to your respective application store and get this application from there, TP-Link by Tether. Then open the application and you have to log in or create a TP-Link ID if you don't have one. Here you will be asked to enter your email, next create your password, and next confirm your email by clicking the link in the letter. But I have the TP-Link ID, so let me just log in. And once you logged in, you can add a new device to the system, but first you need to connect your smartphone to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Let's go to Wi-Fi settings and find here the TP-Link extender network without password. So far we are connected. Now let's go back to the application, and it's already found. So we need to by the way, let me show you. If this device is not in the list, you can tap on plus button and tap on add range extender, and then make sure that LED light is solid on, and tap on this button, and then we will search for the extender, but normally it appears straight away as soon as you open the application. So let's set the device password. Let it be admin. It's a good practice, and we need 1 digit here, so admin1. This is not Wi-Fi password. Remember, this is the password to manage your extender settings. Tap on next. Now let's select the network we want to extend. This is my Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz. Enter password. Tap on next, and let's select 5 gigahertz band. It's my Wi-Fi as well. Of course, your router has a different name, I suppose. Check the main network passwords. Tap on next. And now, as in browser version, you can change your extended network names, but for now I'll stick with defaults. Tap on next. That's it. Now you can relocate your extender somewhere to Wi-Fi dead zone. We already know how to do this. If you missed it, just rewind and watch the video from the beginning. So now we can connect this Wi-Fi. It's named my Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz, but EXT. It means extend. Logging in. It says we have no internet, but let's fix it. Yes, we already have internet. That's it. You're all set now. And what else you can do from this application? This extender has 2 amazing features. First is operation mode. So you can use this extender not only as a range extender, but as an access point. So you can connect it to using the Ethernet cable to your router or to a LAN socket in the wall if you have one. And it significantly increases your Wi-Fi speed connection for all your gadgets. And also you can connect the extender to one mesh network. This is a seamless connection. So you will have the unified network, one name and one password for throughout all your coverage area. And it's very convenient for, especially for your house. So I recommend you to use the router that supports one mesh technology. And also you can toggle on one mesh and change the operation mode from your browser admin panel. But this is the topic for another video. And now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Be amazing, guys. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.